just give brief, just few information about yourself.
Yeah, myself, Sai Teja. I did my master's in Sagna Valley State University. Right now, I'm done with my master's, so I'm a fresher and I don't have any experience in any field.
Okay, fine, good. That means like you finish your master's and you are looking to join for a job. For that, like you are doing
Yep.
upskilling. Yeah, right, good. How
Yeah.
about you, Divya?
Hello, sir.
Yes, yes.
Uh, yeah, I did my master's in Sagna Valley State University. I completed my master's, so I want to go in a field of data science.
Okay.
So if I upskill the data analyst role, so it might
Yes,
be
yes.
helpful for my job.
Correct,
So
correct. Right. Understood.
yeah.
Gnaneshwar?
Hello, sir.
Yeah. Yes.
Good morning.
Gnaneshwar.
This is
Yeah.
Gnaneshwari.
Yes.
I have completed my master's from SVSU
Okay. Okay.
and I want to upskill, so I'm looking for a job currently.
Got it. Understood. Yeah. Rajender?
Yeah. Hi. I just want to upskill my skills. So currently working at Microsoft.
Okay.
Yeah. Just want
So
to.
working on what? Like currently you're working on any other?
Currently, I'm Azure DevOps
Okay.
with SQL.
Okay. Got it. Understood. Yeah. So Rasagna, already you know, like you joined for last batch and you're continuing in this, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, got it. Yeah, fine. So right. So let me brief about you all about this training. Okay. So first point is like we are going to work with data analytics training. For this analytics training, the main focus, what we do is practical understanding. Okay. There won't be any session we'll be doing it in theoretical. Every session we do it in practical only. Okay. First point. Second point is here during the training we will do lot of real-time scenarios and we will do lot of assignments which are project oriented. That means like once you finish your training, I expect everyone will be at a level of like 2 years of 3 years of experienced person. How much skill he is going to have at a project oriented training. Like let's say if a person is working in a project, right? How many different tasks he might be working within 2 years or 3 years. So to that level, definitely I assure you that that kind of exposure and experience you will be having out of this training. Okay. And next. So this training first it goes with initially SQL training, SQL, and we'll be using Oracle database for our development and learning skill of SQL. Next we'll be using Tableau is a visualization tool. And next we'll be learning Power BI and next we'll be learning Snowflake fundamentals and we will see how we can integrate Snowflake with Power BI and how we will develop a project out of it also we will understand. Okay, these all main things which we do out of this training. This training goes with minimum 2 months of training because every day we do with practical scenario and we do a lot of assignment work. That's why it takes minimum 2 months of training. Okay, yeah. Coming to myself, like myself, I'm Shrikant. I'm your data analytics trainer. I'm into this IT, into analytics space from past 16 years and IT from past 18 years. I work with almost like entire BI space with multiple projects working from ETL tools to reporting tools and cloud warehouse tools also. So why we are choosing, you can ask me a question, Shrikant, why we are choosing only these tools for our training for analytics. Let me tell you. Till date, from past 10 plus years, I do only online trainings. I've done around 1600 plus online batch trainings, not one or two. So these courses are getting customized every time based on the market requirement. Suppose if you take your Tableau, Power BI or Snowflake, these three are top in the market from 2020. There is an organization called Gartner where they review these tools every quarter. If you look at Gartner's review, every quarter these tools are there in their recognition from past 2020. That's why people are having more investment of projects into these tools. So if you learn these tools in your future or current, like you will have more opportunities to go for and get a job. Is it clear, everyone?
Yeah.
Right? Okay, right. Let me share my screen and I'll share you one template. Once you are able to view it, just let me know. Let's make this session interactive, okay? So that like if I ask any question, please respond. Okay, right. So you all were able to view here, right? Can you all able to see?
Yeah, I can see your
Data,
screen. Yep.
data,
Yeah, I can see it.
data, analytics. Okay, these two are two different words. Okay, data means your data. Like if you write some information on piece of paper also, that if you saved it in a book, that is your data information. Remember. Okay, let's say I'll just give you a simple example. Okay, there is a small restaurant chain is there, correct? Small restaurant is there. Let's say a small coffee machine, coffee and tea uh, supply shop is there. So that like what they will do every day, customer will be visiting them and they are going to enter what order they want and that will give you a print, correct? That printed information also will be saved in their software as a data for them to retrieve how much sale is done on that particular day or how many orders are done on that particular day. Over a week, how the analysis is there. Over a month, how the analysis is there. Is it clear?
Yeah. Yes.
Right, fine. Let me ask you a simple question. Okay, this is for Gnaneshwari, Divya, as well as Sai. Okay, Rasagna, you also, right? So, what you will do if you want to purchase a mobile phone in online?
We check out for the reviews, rating,
Correct,
and how
right.
the model we
Suppose
want to
you
purchase.
go to your Amazon website or somewhere. Okay, there you will type. Let's say in that search, if you type just mobile phone, what that website is going to show you, it is going to show you all the information, entire information about every brand which is available in the market. It is going to collect that information and show you there, correct?
Yes.
Right. From the left side panel, you are an purchaser, you are deciding yourself with that website which particular brand you want to go with, whether you want to go with Apple, whether you want to go with your Samsung, you will be selecting that option. You will be selecting Apple 16 model or Samsung Flip, which you want to go. You will be selecting that model and you will be picking it. Correct? Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Right. So if you observe, you are doing your job from the front end very easily because they are providing you that information in an easy to understand format. If they provide that information in Excel, common man cannot go and purchase that mobile easily from that website, correct? They're showing it in pictorial representation. They are giving you detailed information so that you are able to purchase it from your online easily, add it to your cart and check out. Correct? This all information gets stored in their database, and from there they're showcasing you that information is in an understandable format. Even the same happens when we go for a big organizations. So what they will do is they will save their data information in their databases. Okay. When they want to showcase that data information to any of the customers, okay, any of the existing organization customers, or like if they want to show that, let's say, have you seen any time like people showing you about the share market when it is up or down, they will design in a bar graph, right? A line is going along with and going down, correct?
Yes, sir.
Right. Why we don't know anything about shares, but if we look at that particular diagram or image, whatever they're showing. So what gives us clear understanding, right? Now the share market is going down. Now today the share market is up, right? So this kind of analytics information can be done using data analytics projects. That means, in an organization, a vice president might be going for a meeting. Okay, they might not have in detailed information about their data, what they are happening at the back end. So they just want to have the summarized information so that they can take quick business. Let's say like you all know Tata Automobiles, right? Let's say they do car manufacturing. Okay, so recently they have launched Harrier with electric version, and their sales vice president wants to see the analysis of their sales figures over a period of 6 months. So he cannot go to that particular department, ask for that information and all, right? He should have a dashboard or an report. When he click on it, it should show him completely how the sales analysis from past 6 months on a particular model is doing. So that like he can understand that and he can go and he can increase that to improve that sales or something. He can assign particular team with so and so targets, whatever it is. Clear? You understood my point?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sai, Divya, Rasagna, Gnaneshwari. It's clear, right? Okay, right. Let's go to.
Yeah, it's clear.
Okay, right. So let's say here I'll just give you a simple example. Let's say Apple is an mobile manufacturing company, like where you'll have in that Apple, you might be having different departments like manufacturing department and marketing department, sales department, finance department, HR department, right? Manufacturing, once they manufacture the data, marketing data, a team will take care of marketing of that, right? And sales will take care of sales, finance will take care of finance, HR will take care of all the employees working in this department, right? Marketing, manufacturing information, we call it in real time as manufacturing subject area data, and marketing, we call it as marketing information data, sales, we call it as sales data, finance, we call finance, HR, we call it as HR. That means globally, you'll have different subject areas of your data. Okay, that will be stored in their databases. Let's say initially they have stored their information into Excel sheet, Oracle, multiple data sources like SQL Server, DB2, Snowflake, like this. Okay, suppose if they want to have Excel data information into an analytical format, we can use Tableau or Power BI, and we can make connection with Tableau or Power BI and develop the solution for them by using an Excel. Even if it is stored in Oracle and Excel combination, both the combination also we can pull it into an Tableau or Power BI and we can develop the output for them. Okay, that is how we make use of multiple data sources, and we can configure and we can import the data information into our Tableau or Power BI and develop the reporting solution. What is a Snowflake in here when we are talking about our training? Snowflake is a cloud warehouse. If you see these databases, Excel we install in our local machine. Oracle databases we install in our servers or our local databases. Installation needs an effort and a license, more cost, which you need to pay at a time. But when it comes to Snowflake, Snowflake is a cloud warehouse. Now it is very trend in the market. Reason is you doesn't require any infrastructure, anything. Just it's like a Gmail. You can just create your account there and you can make use of it, and you can pay as per the usage what you are doing. Let's say you are using it for 1 hour. Might be you need to pay $2 or $3 today based on your data load. Is it clear? That's how people are using, moving out of this traditional Oracle SQL Server DB2 and all into Snowflake environment, and they are making use of their data from Snowflake to Power BI or Tableau. That's how trend is going on. That's how projects are working now currently. Remember, okay, from past 7 years, the same trend is happening. Okay, now it is on peak. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. We are clear.
Yeah.
Divya, Saiteja, any doubts?
No, sir,
No,
it's
yeah,
clear.
I'm good.
Oh, right, fine. Now, let's go. I'll just show you how a SQL will work. Then I'll go for Tableau. Okay. You all can see here, we are connecting to, okay, let me fix my password, like it got expired. So you can see here, we are having multiple tables available here, correct? Employees, departments, and all. Let's see, let's analyze one table. Okay. I want to see data information from my database table. That's why we need to learn structured query language. Because database, if you want to retrieve any information out of the tables available in your database, you need to write structured query language, which we call it as SQL. Okay. So select. Can you all able to see? Right. So you can see here, all this information is available from my SQL table employees, right? Let's say my client want to have filter with show me the employees only with salaries greater than 10,000. Okay. What in SQL you can do? Select star from employees. Okay. You can see employees with salary greater than 10,000. And they're asking, I want to see employees with salary greater than 10,000 and I want to see only employees belongs to department 90. Now you can see all the employees with salary greater than 10,000 and they belongs to department 90. Is it clear?
Yes, sir, it's clear.
See, this you can see
Yes,
in
sir.
tabular format only, rows and columns. Okay. But if this information, if you want to develop it as a reporting solution, then we go with Tableau and Power BI. Let me show you that. This analysis, data analytics, which you can do with your Tableau. Okay, let's pick Tableau. I think my product activation is ended for Tableau. Okay, that's fine. Let me show you in Power BI. Saiteja and Divya, you are having your university email ID available currently also, or like you don't have access to it?
We have access, but
Okay.
we don't know it's gonna work or not.
No. Reason why I'm asking is for students, Tableau provides 1 year free license. Okay. You need not install 14 days trial. So you'll get 1 year free license. So that's the reason I'm asking. Like, if you have access, we can try when we are working with Tableau, we can try with free license. Okay, no problem. Yeah, fine. Let's go here. See, this is your Power BI visualization. Okay. So you can get your data information from multiple sources. You can see the list of sources available here. I'll show you. Can you able to see? You can pick it from your Excel. So let me show you Oracle database. You can pick it from Snowflake. Snowflake is also a data source. Okay. Let's pick some data information which we use from Tableau data source I'm picking up. This is a sales information. Let's pick order information. In this, we'll have order IDs and ship modes. Everything is available. So I'm just loading that data information into Power BI. You can see here 994 rows are loaded. Okay. Let's say I want to prepare an analytics solution for my client. Okay. Right. So first, I'm going to use my stacked a bar chart where I need to showcase with different categories with different sales, how each category is showcasing with their sale information. Okay. And I want to show each category in different color code. And I want to display data information output for them. And I can give borders. Can you able to see? Now you can see sales by your category, and it is showing for each category how sales are showing. The same you can show with your SQL also, select column 1 and column 2 from so and so table. Is it clear? But here you can showcase in a visualized analytical format. Hello. Sai, Divya, everyone, like you are able to follow, right?
Yes, sir.
Right. You can see here, like each bar is showing up with you a value of that particular category, technology, furniture, and office supply. You can easily identify, like if someone very new, like who don't know anything about this data, if they look at this particular information, they can easily understand, okay, these are the three different categories are available, and based on it, like that sales figure is showcasing. Correct? Right? Okay, let's develop one more report. So my client want to have a donut chart which should show them the next level of column, which is subcategory. Category will be the first level, subcategory will be the second level. Subcategory and its profits. Can you all able to see? So I can give here border. You can see category by sales and subcategory by profits. Okay. Next, I want to do one more analysis where it should show me a bar and a line graph. A bar and a line graph. In this, I want to add, based on my category, sales should be in column and profit should show in a line. And I want to add legend also. Based on different ship modes, my bar should split. Can you able to see? We have three different ship modes, four different ship modes will be there. Okay. So you can see here, based on this, like you can see technology and ship mode is first class. What is that? Sales. And here you can see technology, ship mode is same day, and technology ship mode is second class. Technology ship mode is standard, right? If you move your cursor onto this line, you can see the property for that also. Like profit for that particular technology. Clear? Hello.
Yes, sir, it's clear.
Sai, Rajender,
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
yeah, I'm listening. Thank
remaining
you.
all. You're able to follow, right? Okay, right.
Yeah.
So you can make your data information display in this visually. So let's prepare border for this. Okay. Let me add one detailed report, okay, where I want to show with the multiple order IDs, okay, what is their product name, which customer purchasing that product, what is their category, subcategory, okay, and ship mode, sales, and profit. Okay, and I want to make this little bit colorful, so I'll use my styling here. Can you all able to see? Right. Now you see how this report will interact. Okay. If you see here, if I select technology, it will filter everywhere technology related information. See here technology, you can see here value 0.836154. You can see here 836154. Can you able to see? Right? When I filter my technology related subcategory is also getting highlighted. Let's say I want to have only phones information need to be filtered here in my detail. Here currently you're seeing phones and accessories, everything, right? So if I select only phones, see here, everywhere it filters my phones. You can see here, this value is 44515. Here you can match your value 44515. Can you able to see?
Yeah.
Correct?
Yep.
Right. So this is how you can make your data information showcased into different visual formats using your Tableau and Power BI. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so when it comes to the Snowflake, during the training, we will create an online account, which is a 30 days free account will be there. In that, we will do the practical understanding of using our Snowflake environment and connecting with this visualization tools and development. And along with that, I will encourage you all to finish the certifications which are provided from Microsoft as well as Snowflake also. That I will guide you all in detail. That will help you all to share it on your LinkedIn profiles or Twitter, anywhere. Even you can add it to your resume also. I'll help you all to prepare for your resume building also. Don't worry. The only thing is like, first thing is like, we need to do it in practical. Remember, during the training sessions, I'll ask you all, everyone to share your screen and how I'm doing a demo for you all, right? Explaining all the concepts in detail and all. Okay. Similarly, I'll ask you all to do a walkthrough of your developed project. Reason is, when you do the walkthrough, you can easily explain about your project to your interviewer. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. We understand.
Okay, that is the practice which we do during this training. That is must needed for everyone. Remember, I'll tell you a simple example. In morning 8 a.m. session, like I'm having one student, okay. She is from very remote place. She is from an Telugu medium background. Remember, okay. When she joined training, she is from Triple background, not even IT. She don't know anything how to use laptop. Just as minimum she knows that. So once she joined training, and she is able to follow all the sessions, and she had done a lot of practice. When it comes to speaking, she used to get herself trouble. So I asked her, like, you start practicing one by one. Just take one day, one particular visualization. Let's say you want to explain about sales by category. Try on that. That means, like, here on the left side top corner, we can see sales by category using our sales data. Here in this visualization, it shows with three different categories: technology, furniture, office supply, showing with so three different sales values. This is how we can make use of this visual bar graph for the analysis of sales with category. Like that, I just asked her to add and note down in a notebook. Now, if anyone having issue also, she is able to communicate with them in English, and she is able to fix their issue during the training. Remember, currently they are finishing their Snowflake training. That's what I'm telling. Don't worry about anything. Just when we start exploring, when we start giving our try, definitely we'll get succeed. Clear? Hello?
Yeah, clear. Thank you
Right.
so much.
So we need to work hard, and in this training, we are going to make ourselves comfortably learn and get ourselves strong out of this four different skill sets which we are learning out of this training. That is the main motto out of for this training practice. Clear? Right. Now you can ask me if you want any, if you have any questions or anything, you can discuss with me.
So when is the actual session going to start?
That the career IT team will be updating you.
Okay.
Okay, very soon, mostly by next week, we'll start.
Okay.
Divya,
So we're gonna do the same work in the four different uh,
when you are learning
apps.
your SQL, you learn SQL in practical. Okay, you will understand different concepts in SQL, starting from select statement, operators, filtering of your data, and any SQL you take. Like in my regular project work, I'll handle SQL with around like minimum of 500 lines of SQL. Okay, remember, SQL is not an rocket science. When you look at your SQL, your eyes should observe three keywords: select, from, where. Okay, when you are able to identify those three keywords in any SQL, you can, if you are in a position to identify those three keywords, that means like you are good with your SQL. Remember, even if it is 1,000 lines or 2,000 lines of SQL, that should follow this format. Select, under select, your column should be there. Under from, your table should be there. Your condition should fall under where. So that like you need to learn perfectly the SQL, how to identify and how to fix it and how to use it. Okay, that kind of practical knowledge which is needed for your job, I am going to give you. Clear? First point is SQL. Tableau is, we are going to work with Tableau training, hands-on. Doing first with initially with Excel data, then we will work with SQL, Oracle SQL using our HR and OE connections data. Next, I'll give you an warehouse data, which is an real-time project where I use it for another reporting tool, which is OBIE. Even along with the development project, I'll make sure like you work on an migration project, OBI to Tableau development. Okay. Next, when it comes to the Power BI, we will be learning custom SQLs as well as Power BI usage, Power BI development, dashboards. Even in Tableau also, I'll help you all to understand how a project is developed, how it can get delivered to the server. That means how it get published to the server. Okay, that is very important for a developer to understand. Since we have Tableau provides a limited license for that, quickly we can learn that within 1 or 2 days of sessions. Okay, don't worry on that. Okay, right. Along with that, once we learn Power BI, then we'll go with Snowflake. Once we learn Snowflake concepts, we will integrate our Power BI or Tableau with Snowflake, and we will do the development of project. What kind of changes and what kind of improvement can be done? Rather connecting with Oracle database, when we are connecting with Snowflake, what are the differences you can observe? I'll make sure like you understand all those differences. You can add those during your interview process. Like if they ask you like what is the advantage when you moved out of your Oracle or some other database into Snowflake, what are the advantages? So I'll make sure like you understand in practical so that like you can discuss the same point during your interview. Clear?
Yes, sir, it's clear.
Right. Teja, do you have any question?
No, I'm good.
Right. Okay. Victor, I think you joined late. If you have any questions, you can ask me.
Hey, Srikanth, I have a question.
Yes.
What levels we know Python and AI tools we are going to use in AI data analyst now?
So generally, like see, even nowadays, what happening when client is purchasing premium license for Power BI as well as Snowflake as well as for your Tableau, right? They're
Yeah.
getting automatically enabled with AI based some in Snowflake you get if your client is purchasing an premium license, right? They're
Yes.
providing a co-pilot. Okay, which works like an AI for you. Okay, just if you have any issue or something else, if you type there, if you need so and so, let's say you want to build an visual or an Snowflake SQL. Okay, in that you are having so and so tables. If you write, I want to see, let's say I want to see count of sales happened over an year from 2012 to 2018. Can you help me with the SQL? So that it gives you a framing of it. You understood? That framing you can make use of it in your regular use, and you can that I think like when currently what are the projects I'm working, I've not seen people using much of that. Okay, but even if your client is investing on it, based on the usage also it will be charged. That's not free.
Okay.
Okay, and moreover, like if you learn Python, see some of the projects like they use if you want to learn Python, right? Make sure like you learn Python full stack, okay, end to end.
Yeah.
When you learn Python, even when we are working, in your reporting tools like Tableau and Power BI, nowhere you will see using this Python or something else. That's a very different projects they use. Regularly, they use normal object-used development only. Okay. When it comes to Python, when you're using your Snowflake, using your Python scripts, you can integrate your Snowflake tables and you can run your SQLs. You can run your loads, you can run your data loads, you can manage your environment and all. Okay, then that means like every like same the competitor tool for Snowflake is like Azure Databricks. Okay, so they provide a window where they can use Python developers to write their code. Clear?
Got it.
Python is not mandatory for data analytics, but if you are having a Python skill, if your project is having a need of usage of Python, you can use your skill there.
Okay.
Yeah. Victor, do you have any questions? Yes.
Hey Srikanth, I'm an employer, so my candidates are here, so I'm
Oh,
just
okay.
here observing the things.
Okay. Yeah.
So at this current market, where data analyst with AI and ML or experience having with LLM things, so
That,
this will
that
cover little
falls
bit in,
that falls under your data science projects.
yes.
Yeah. So when you
Yeah,
when
but
you talk about
just want to nowadays the requirements whatever coming in the market, we are not having any control. Like data analyst has to only take care of these things. They are also having mixed things are going into the market now.
Mhm.
So I also seen in the course curriculum about Python. Also, you'll be covering little bit.
Python is
How,
like I can explain where exactly the Python will be used during our data analysis projects.
got it.
Okay, yeah, I'll just give them briefing like how a Python will be used for a project development, like where exactly the windows will be there. If you learn, see, if they want to learn this entire Python end to end, I think it takes 3 months for them.
Got it. I understood. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, let them first cover this data
First thing,
analyst.
pretty simple. Remember everyone, like I'm just giving this word for everyone. Okay.
Mhm.
When you are learning one skill set, okay, don't make yourself confused with so many keywords. In market, you'll have so many keywords. Okay. First, when you're talking about your data analytics or your data science, remember, we are talking about data. Where your data will be residing, either it is in flat files or your Excel or your databases. Okay. That means you need to have a clear skill set of your SQL knowledge, SQL. Okay. That's why first you need to learn SQL. Okay. Next, analytics. Analytics means using your data and preparing an analysis for someone. Okay. How you will prepare, either you write your SQL or use the tools which are available in the market like Tableau, Power BI, Click, or OBIE, or whatever it is, like reporting tools, you can use of it and you can push your data information into that tool, like how we have done during the demo, and you can make use of that columns which are available from the table and develop a reporting solution for your end user. Okay. When it comes to the cloud warehouse, only thing is like rather storing information on a server and place some employees to maintain it and give the storage for them, and it's becoming difficult for organizations to maintain. They are moving out of their regular traditional data storage on a server based Oracle or Microsoft SQL server. They are moving into Snowflake. So now Snowflake became very popular because of the license cost and the usage and the performance. That's why people started using that. These are linked. Database, Tableau, Power BI, Snowflake. Why we are learning Tableau and Power BI? Both are having equal opportunities. Some of the clients, like in my project, like we are using 4 different visualization tools. Remember, Tableau, Power BI, Click, as well as like Sisense. Okay, and even Snowflake will have their own licensed tools like which are getting popular, like ETL tools. In future, if you want to learn ETL process, okay, using different tools like DataStage or Talon, Matillion, or Apache Airflow. These all are like advanced connection tools after learning the skill sets. Okay, learn one skill set, then you start expanding your skill connecting to that particular skills. Is it clear?
Yeah, this is the line where I needed. So after this training, my my team, whoever is in this call, has to be ready to learn the new things. So they need to get some interest with your training.
Yeah. See, I'll tell you.
Yeah, that is
In
the bottom
market,
line, what you explained. Yeah.
we are having currently more, we are getting more highlighted colors with three different job roles. People are talking about AI, people are talking about data science, people are talking about data analytics. Okay, right.
Yes.
AI means artificial intelligence, where you need to have statistical analysis as well as machine learning, predictive analytics. So many things are involved in it. Even programming also, you should have a core understanding on it. Clear?
Yes.
All right. Next is like your second one is AI is nothing but more of like you are going to prompt for any AI license tool. Okay, even if you open your chat GPT, it will ask you first what I can help you. So you need to educate that chat GPT. Let's say I want to purchase a mobile phone. If you type, then it will ask you, okay, I can list out you the list of mobiles, good mobiles available in the market. Then you need to tell that chat GPT like which mobile you want to purchase, like you want from Apple or Samsung. If you type it, then it will give you price from where you can buy, everything analysis it will give. That means like you need to prompt, you need to make yourself comfortably educate that chat bot, and you need to get your information out of it, because it's going to get information globally available which are there in web, right? Okay, that is your AI. If you want to develop something, your AI, like AI, using your AI tool and all, you need to learn a lot of things, machine learnings, algorithms, so many. When it comes to data science projects, it's a combination of your cloud warehouse environment, AWS or Google Cloud Platform or Amazon, your Azure, whatever it is. You can, there it is involved with your infrastructure, storage, everything for your data science, along with the analytics tools. That data science, if you are taking your Azure license, most of the time you will be having Power BI usage for your visualization, and they'll be using your Azure Databricks SQL for storage of their data, which is a competitor for Snowflake. Okay. Most of the clients, like 60 to 70% of the clients, they won't invest that much amount into one single license. They will try to pick the license which are cheaper for them. They'll mix up with their usage. Let's say their usage is not very big, they'll go for a simple Snowflake license, and they will use it with Tableau or Power BI. Like this, analytics will go. These are mixed combinations. Like how many skills you learn and add it to your profile, that makes your profile highlighted in the market. That's all. If you ask me, all you can learn at a time, no, you cannot learn all the skill sets at a time. First, you learn few things, and go and link those dots and make yourself comfortable with those 4 dots. Next, you add one more dot to your resume. Clear?
Cool. Yeah. So, may I know, do we have any end-to-end project will be created by end of this training?
In this training, most of the time, I'll make sure like they end up with creating 3 to 4 different projects. Okay.
That's
So,
nice.
Victor, I'll tell you, these all are people like who are getting trained, right? They need to go and they need to work in the job. Remember, okay? When they need to
Yes,
work
yes.
in job, first thing is like along with the technical skill set, they need to have 3 different skills for sure. Okay. One is a reading skill. If they have any issue, before they discuss with their colleague or their manager, they need to Google it and they need to read some document. Okay. First skill, I will try to improve that during this training. Second is when you type in your Google, you will get so many videos and all, right? Based on your issue, you are able to follow that Google video and you are able to fix it or not. Like many of the solutions, 60 to 70%, you will find it on your Google itself. No need of going anywhere. Okay. I'll train them how to understand that and develop the same scenario with your existing tool. Third one is you need to discuss with your colleague. For that, you need to have the base or fundamental strong understanding with the tool where you need to use the technical terminology to discuss, right? That skill
Perfect.
will be
Yeah.
developed here. If you have this 3 skill set, you can survive in any job.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. Really. Thanks for that information.
So any student who is learning along with your technical skill set, you need to develop these 3 skill sets. If you have these 3 skill sets, you can go anywhere and you can get your job done. That's all.
Got it. Yeah, I'm good. I'm good from my end. Thank you very much for
Yeah.
your explaining everything.
Right. So just you can just give your feedback with your career IT team, okay? And they'll update you when we are starting our next batch. Okay.
So did we decide the timings for regular training or we are yet to decide?
It will be mostly 8 a.m. because currently we are having training from 7 to 8. Current batch
Okay.
is getting trained. They are in Tableau middle of their assignments. So new batch we will start by 8 a.m. 8 a.m. to mostly every day we will have 40 minutes to 1 hour session. That is fair enough. So we do practical and recording will be provided and they can do. But make sure like everyone get yourself comfortably complete your assignments because like anytime if I ask for an walkthrough or if some student having issue, if someone finish their assignment, they need to fix their issue. That's how it goes. Like it's like a real-time project, like how we work in an office, right? Similarly, I'll be assigning the task and we need to work on it.
Yeah, you have to keep some strict rules if assignment is not done.
No, not like that. Most of the time, like they will do it because like I'll be explaining concept by concept, right? They feel
Yeah.
comfortable, no problem.
Sure. Got it.
Okay, yeah. Okay. Thank you all. You all have a great weekend. Yeah.
Thank you. You too have a nice weekend.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.